Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the CPM no GG variant and exact bumper orientation. That's crucial because mounting points differ. Once verified, remove any surface trim clips. Use the pry tool gently to avoid breakage. Next, loosen the visible bolts with an 8mm socket. Keep fasteners in a labeled container. You do this now so later steps are cleaner. Make sure to disconnect power or battery first. Then stand clear and check for hidden screws behind wheel arches and under the chassis. Once the outer fasteners are out, move to the wheel well liners. Remove them to expose inner bolts and plastic rivets. You should unclip electrical connectors and sensor mounts now. Press tabs, not wires, to avoid damage. Support the bumper with a padded stand or a helper, then remove the lower bolts and any center fasteners. Take photos as you go so reassembly is straightforward. When pieces come free, slide the bumper outward slowly to clear tabs. This prevents cracking or misalignment later. To finish, slide the bumper laterally to disengage the remaining mounting tabs, then lift straight off. Do not twist, which can snap clips. Inspect clips, tabs, and sensors. Replace any that are cracked or overly flexible so the refit seals properly. Once removed, clean mating surfaces and set new hardware aside for reinstallation. If you run into resistance or misalignment, first check for missed bolts or a bent sensor bracket. That single overlooked fastener is the most common cause of problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.